Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat app not opening. So if your Snapchat app is not opening, then this is a really irritating issue, because there are not a lot of things we can do in order to fix this issue. Luckily, I just found a small list of easy ways in order to still fix this issue. So let me just show you this list by starting with fix number 1. So fix number 1 is going to be really obvious, but what you simply want to make sure to do is that you have a proper Wi-Fi connection or that you have cellular mode enabled. If you don't have a proper Wi-Fi connection, then this basically means that Snapchat will sometimes just automatically crash because there's just no Wi-Fi. Or if it's a really bad Wi-Fi connection, then this could also cause issues with Snapchat not opening, so make sure to double check that. Now, if it's still not working, basically, what we can do is head over to this website called downdetector.com. It's basically a website that will say to us if the Snapchat servers are maybe down. This doesn't really happen that often. However, if it does happen, then it could basically be an issue for your app, basically. So we just want to head over to Snapchat, and if there's a massive spike in, for example, reports, basically, then this most likely means that their Snapchat app servers are down, and all you need to do is just wait a few hours, and then that issue should automatically be resolved, so you can just quickly see if the servers are down. Now, if the servers are not down, then what you can also try and do is simply update your Snapchat app. I know it sounds really easy, but by simply updating your Snapchat app, it will clear a lot of your cache over on the app. It will refresh the entire app a little bit as well. So I'll just recommend updating it to the latest version to see if maybe that fixes your issue. Now, if it still has not fixed your issue, what we can also do is clear the cache over on our Snapchat app. On Android, what you need to do is head over into the search bar, type in Snapchat, and there you will find a clear cache button already. Now on iPhone, what we need to do is click on General, then iPhone Storage, just like this. Scroll down to Snapchat, and then all we need to do is click on Offload App. Once we have done that, we're going to wait a few seconds, and then we can automatically reinstall Snapchat back again using this exact page. Once we've done that, our Snapchat cache should be cleared, and we should be good to go to see if now maybe Snapchat will open again. Now, if it's still not basically opening and still not working, what we can also simply do is trying to restart our device. If you're using an iPhone, I would simply recommend going for a forced restart. To do this, simply press the volume up button really quickly, then the volume down button really quickly, and then press and hold the power button till your screen goes completely dark. However, you want to keep on holding till that Apple logo appears, and once your Apple logo appears, immediately let go of the power button, and you will now basically automatically see your entire device restarting. And this will also fix a lot of issues with certain apps, including Snapchat, potentially app not opening, and that should maybe fix that issue. And now if it's still not working, the only other thing I have for you is simply trying to reinstall the app. There's a 99% chance that when you do this, basically, you can basically start using the app again. Do know that when you do this, all your documents and data will basically be removed. So keep that in mind. You might want to back them up. But yeah, basically just holding down the app like this, clicking on remove app, then reinstalling it back again using the App Store, log back into your account, and you can now see if it's working. And yeah, that are basically all of the fixes I have found for you in this video. So let me know down in the comments below which fix it for you. Or if you still need help, I will definitely help you out. Or maybe other people will also help you out in the comments. And yeah, that being said, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.